Hello, welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to change your address on Grubhub. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to change your address on Grubhub. We'll start by opening up your Grubhub on your phone. Once you do that, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Look in the bottom right hand corner. We're gonna see your account, so make sure to type in your account right there. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. So once you arrive here, look all on the bottom where it says addresses. So make sure to tap on addresses right there, as you guys can see. So tap there. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. As you want to change your address, look for the current address right there. Then just swipe on the right there. So just swipe on the right, then press on where it says edit right there. Edit. Then you can edit, you can change the address to your new one. So once you've done that, scroll down and tap on save right there. So once you like modify your new address, so just scroll down and tap save right there. Tap save, and your address gonna switch. And that's how you change your address on Grubhub. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.